Just like I have explained yesterday, it has started already. You can see the downtrend have actually started already. And for those that were able to lock into this, then congratulations to you. If you are unable to lock into it, don't worry. We're going to check it out. I'm going to share with you the full analysis with you and see a possible way of entering into this trade. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So, in case you don't know, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday, I actually gave us this signal because it got to this resistance zone and wasn't able to break out from there. So, it switched into a downtrend. So, I gave us an entry point and, of course, a stop loss. And I highlighted two major TPs. They are amazing TPs, okay? TP1 and TP2. It got to TP1, almost got to TP2, but it's changed the direction of the trend from a downtrend to an uptrend right from here. And in the night, when I was doing my analysis, I told us that this is going back up, and of course, if it breaks out from this region, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, this is going to give us like head and shoulder, and it's most likely for it to switch into a downtrend. And as you can see, it has gotten to this region. It broke out above it actually, but it got to almost getting to the resistance zone, and it was unable to break out from there. But this is giving us the M vibe, as you can see, and of course it is giving us double top. So this is going to be a sell, just the way I have predicted. So it has given us a downtrend and a sell signal. And of course, if you should notice, it didn't get to this stop loss which I highlighted for this particular trade. Okay, in case you are still in the trade, so you should be in profit again, and it has also achieved the TP1 again. Okay, so we are heading to this. So in case you miss out from that entry point, now let's highlight a quick entry point for you guys. Okay, so this can be a new entry point for you guys, and right here we can have our stop loss somewhere here, and of course we can have some varies of TPs. I mean, some TPs for us. TP1 should be somewhere here, and let me come up with TP2 somewhere here, and TP3 I'm going to take it down a bit somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be TP3. So if it breaks out from here, then I expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be a good selling opportunity for each and every one of us. Okay, now let's check out other assets. This is Ganex 999. Ganex 999 is going on uptrend. Okay, got to this region, try to buy, got to this region. Okay, I told us yesterday that it will get here, and if it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will sell and come back to the support zone. You can see it has gotten there, and this time around it has given us a buy signal. So we expect more buying opportunity. Now the first target should be this region. You can see it right there. That should be the first target. Let me bring it down a bit in case it's going to react quickly. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out from there, then this should be the second target. And of course, guys, if it breaks out from there, then right here should be the third target. And of course, I'm expecting it to get to this region, but I'm going to divide that into two. Okay, so that we can have more targets for ourselves. Okay, so we have five targets right here, which we can achieve easily. So you guys can look into it right away. So this is buying opportunity. So you can come in at this point, guys. This can I'm going to change the color of this. Okay, come in at this point, and of course, you can put your stop loss somewhere here. Let me change the color. Okay, guys, so this is the setup for this. So this is a good trading opportunity for us. So it is another trading opportunity for us, so you guys can take advantage of it. I'm going to drop this also in the Telegram channel. Let's see. Okay, this is going to be another one. Paynex 1200. This had actually been on uptrend for a while, starting from here. Okay, but if you should notice, it has got into this resistance zone, and it seems it will not be able to break out from there. And if it breaks out from there, then definitely it will keep on buying. But if it does not, okay, it will be a good selling opportunity for us. Okay, so I'm going to highlight TPs for us. Let me quickly measure this. Okay, 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 guys. Let's highlight our entry point. Somewhere here should be the entry point, and of course, um, let me bring it down a bit. Should be the entry point, our stop loss, and our first TP should be somewhere here. Second TP should be somewhere here. Third TP should be somewhere here. And fourth TP should be somewhere here. And we can have our fifth TP around here. Okay, so this is also another trading opportunity for Paynex 1200. For Paynex 999, it's been a beautiful opportunity. We dropped this signal earlier, and of course, it has achieved all the TP. The last TP has actually been achieved. So we want to see if it will break out from this support zone, or probably it will switch back into an uptrend. If it switch back into an uptrend, then definitely it's going to be a good selling, buying opportunity for us. Okay, so now let's check out FX volume 80. Like I said yesterday, this has not been able to break out from here, so it should sell, and you can see it has been selling, even though it is taking its time around there, playing around there. Probably the support zone around there is so strong. Okay, so let's see what will happen if it will break out below it and sell more, or probably it will switch back into an uptrend. However, I am expecting to get to this region. Okay, I am expecting to get to this region. So that is it. So these are all that we have for us today. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you want to know more about my trading tool, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you, and God bless you.